Well, we are days away from one of the busiest travel seasons of the year. If you're traveling, pack your patience because there's going to be a lot of people with you. More people are expected to fly this Thanksgiving than last year. Airlines already reporting jets near capacity. The busiest travel days will be the Tuesday and Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And to add to the stress, you'll have to navigate the construction zones at Charlotte Douglas Airport. NBC Charlotte's Mark Boyle live at the airport tonight. Mark, a lot of construction happening right now there.
Plenty of it. You really can't miss it. And you talked about Thanksgiving, more than 3% higher this year compared to last year. The numbers are going to be a lot bigger. There's the construction. You can't miss it when you come in here. Beyond that, that's where Terminal A is. And this construction project is ongoing and going to be taking quite some time to finish.
Just in time for the holidays. The signs say it all. We're building an airport fit for the Queen. You can't miss the construction project. New drop-off lanes, fencing, and cones. So what's being done here anyway?
It's getting there.
The airport's Chief Operating Officer, Jack Christine.
From a demand perspective, clearly we're continuing to grow. We're the second largest hub for the world's largest airline.
And when he says grow, he's not kidding. Right now, CLT has bragging rights as the 6th largest airport in terms of airplane operations. This is American Airlines' second largest hub with more than 600 daily departures. The airport is trying to keep up with demand, but that will come with growing pains.
Right now, there are 96 gates here at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. When this new pier opens next year in May, that 96 number will jump to 105, and that's just the beginning.
We have the ability to continue on and expand, adding 2 more piers similar to the one behind me. That'll give us ultimately 27 additional gates for the A concourse.
If you've ever been dragging your carry-on suitcase through the concourse, rushing to your plane, you may recall the carpet isn't necessarily your friend. Some complain it actually slows you down.
Replacing the carpet that traditionally has been down the main corridor where the folks walk with terrazzo flooring, which will help when people are pulling their bags behind them.
So just how big is the airport going to get and when?
20 to 25 years. We'll have not a facility that looks identical to Atlanta, but it'll be a facility that'll be able to accommodate what Atlanta does today.
Atlanta sees 90 million annual passengers compared to the 44 million we have each year. This growth can be seen as good indicators as a strong local economy. But give yourself some time. The next time you come out here for a flight, you'll likely be dealing with this mess for years to come as the airport makeover continues.
Now back live, that's the new concourse that you saw in my story. Off to the right, they have the ability to build 2 more of those, and that's in that long-range plan. Also, something to note before you come out for picking up family and friends, the cell phone lot will be moving. There's a map of that on the Charlotte Douglas International website, and you can navigate. It's kind of confusing, but it's just going to be a few blocks away from where the current cell phone lot is. A lot of changes out here, and if you're a frequent flyer like myself, it's nice to see the growth. The course business likes it as well, right, Sarah?
Yes, 25 years though, Mark. Hopefully it's going to be well worth the wait.
I'll be long retired by then, but you never know. It's all good stuff.
All right, thanks, Mark.